Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to easily turn your long videos into vertical shorts with captions completely for free. First, open CapCut on your phone or computer. If you don't have it, just download it from your app store, it's free. Import your long video into a new project. Then, tap the clip and select crop. Choose the 9:16 ratio to make it vertical like a short dot. Now, find the most engaging part of your video. Trim it down to less than 60 seconds to fit short's length. Next, let's add captions. Tap text, then auto captions. CapCut will automatically generate subtitles for you. Review the captions for any mistakes and edit them if needed. You can also change the font, color, and style to match your vibe. Add a catchy song from CapCut's free music library if you want. Just don't make it too loud over your voice. Finally, export the video in 1080p or 4K for the best quality, and you're ready to upload. And that's how you turn any long video into a professional-looking short in minutes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.